today's lesson, I had this fun idea that what we would do is cover a move, its opposite, turning 360 one way, turning 360 the other way, and then doing switchbacks. And a switchback is where you do the 360 turn, say left, and then you switch back to turn right, 360. When I'm going one way then the other, I start here, I step, I turn, but then I'm stepping back and stepping back. And that way I end up in the same place. If I don't remain anchored on the same foot, this is what ends up happening. Okay, so I would turn to the right, and then I would turn to the right where I step my right foot back. You alternate the feet, and then versus if I do it the way I was doing it, I'm pivoting around the same place. So for people who are stuck in place, pivoting on the same foot makes sense. For people who have the space to open it up, you can alternate the feet that you step with every time.